children of Carnations B. I am your class teacher Disha ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and taking all the preventive measures to fight this coronavirus. So everyone, let's start our day with Gayatri Mantra. Everyone stand up, join your hands, put your feet together, close your eyes and repeat after Disha ma'am. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Everyone, rub your hands, put it on your eyes, remove your hands and open your eyes. Feeling relaxed? Good. Today is your English class and today we will study cursive strokes O. So everyone, you know what you have to get? A plate containing suji, notebook, a pencil and an eraser. So children, are you ready for the cursive stroke activity? What ma'am is having? Ma'am is having a plate containing suji. So with the help of your finger, start from the bottom. Make a slanting line, then make a O and make a small loop. Again make a O and make a small loop. Let's do it again. With the help of your finger, start from the bottom. Slanting line, make a O and a small loop. Do not pick up your finger until and unless you finish the entire line. So children, now let's see how can we write cursive stroke O. You remember, we don't have to touch the margin line and we have to write between the blue lines only. Start near the margin line, slanting line, make a O and a small loop, then again make a O, small loop with the where the loop is ending. You have to start O from there. See, my loop is ending here and I am starting the O from here only. Children, do not pick up your pencil until and unless you finish the entire line. Ma'am is also not picking up her hand now. You will also not pick up your hand. Children, if your O goes above the blue line, it will be wrong. And if it goes below the blue line, then also it will be wrong. Your loop should be small. If you will make such a big loop, it will be wrong. And the distance between your strokes should be equal. If the distance between your strokes will not be equal, it will also become wrong. So the distance between your cursive strokes should be equal. See, my distance is equal now. Do not pick up your pencil. See, the distance is equal. Now let's see how do we write it in a notebook. You all must be having this notebook. Remember, do not touch the margin line and you have to write between these two lines only. Start near the margin line, slanting line, make a O, small loop and then make a O and small loop. See, my loop is ending here and from here only I am making another O and then a small loop. Then again my loop is ending here. I am making small O, loop. Then make a small O and loop. Make a small O, loop. Then make a small O, loop. Like this you have to write. Do not pick up your pencil. Disha ma'am is also not picking up her pencil. You will also not pick up your pencil. Remember, O should not go above the line it will be wrong. It should not go below the line, it will be wrong. If you will make big loop, it will also be wrong. And the distance between your strokes should be equal. If the distance between your strokes is not equal, it will be wrong. So the distance between your strokes should be equal. See, the distance is equal. You all enjoyed the English class. Do your worksheets beautifully. Bye bye children. Stay indoors and stay safe.